if content shows up in your Facebook group, or on your Facebook page, or in your Facebook news feed that you think is fake, not even know is fake, just simply believe it may be fake, you should do two things. Number one, report it. There are many who say they believe this post is fake. So and by the way, the fact that the commenting is turned off generally leans towards it's fake or they have something to hide. They don't want people to engage on it. So if you believe it may be fake, click the three dots and report this. When you report it, you want to report something that's scam, it's fraud, or false information. False information is the least that I know that it is. And social issues, and you want to report it. Boom, I've already reported it. Now, they're not going to let Amelia know that I reported it. Now, the next thing you may want to do, you could just simply hit done. You can go back and report to the admins if you want to, which is probably not a bad idea. Let the admins know that that content is fake. You may also want to go and block that person. So you can go that next step if you want. Don't have to, but you may want to. Maybe the right thing to do. But the bottom line is don't let content show up in your Facebook group, on your Facebook pages, or in your Facebook news feed that you feel may be inappropriate, incorrect, a fake, lie, scam, or whatever. If you think it is, report it. It is better to report it and be wrong than not report it and you were right. That's the whole essence of social media, is that we are responsible for reporting content that we believe is inappropriate, a fake, scam, some form of cheating or whatever. I'm not saying report first, that person's not allowed to say that. I'm saying report content that you believe is totally inappropriate. And furthermore, if you're in a Facebook group, I really recommend that you also alert the admins of that group about that content.